Welcome to today's Techie Quick Tip. In today's tip, we're just looking at Canvas and your dashboard. Did you know that you have a lot of options when it comes to organizing and cleaning up your dashboard? So if there's a course that you no longer use that's on your dashboard, did you know that you can remove it from your dashboard? Did you know that you can move your course cards? So if I want to move a card, I can click on this card and I can just drag it up to the top because maybe that's what I use a lot or every day. And I can move these around. I also can click on the three dots of a card and change the color of the card, which means it'll change the text on the card and so forth so I can organize them by color. Maybe I need to move it. So if I click on the little move tab, I can move it on here as well, or I can drag it like I did. Or if you see it says unfavorite, now if I unfavorite it, it's going to take it off of my dashboard. But if I know that I have some older courses, what I'm going to do is I'm going to come over to my courses tab over here and scroll down and click on all courses. When I click on all courses, it is going to give me some options. You're going to see that I have these stars over here on the left-hand side. Only the courses that have a star on them are the ones that will show up. If I don't want that to show up anymore, if I click on that star, it's going to unhighlight it. And now that course will no longer show on my dashboard. And that is today's Techie Quick Tip on cleaning up your Canvas dashboard.